It's 6 o'clock on Wednesday and I'm about to start my Rising Man call, and I just wanted to get this video in here. One of the worst things you could do as a man who is entering into a custody case is take the legal advice from a family member who is a lawyer or a former judge or whatever, but they are not your lawyer and not your judge, and you take their advice on what to do. Now, there's a couple of problems with this. A lot of the times the information is wrong, or they're not invested, or the laws have changed, or they're different in the state and county. But more importantly, why this is wrong and how dangerous it is for you, and how I see it screw up for so many men in my group, is that it starts to teach you that you think you have an edge outside of whatever your legal team is. You think you can do things alone. You think that you have an advantage. You think that you have a secret ace in the hole of what you can rely on. And the fact of the matter is you need to go all in on what you're going to do legally, whether that's representing yourself or hiring an attorney, which I highly recommend. But you need to start listening to that attorney only. Now, in my legal case, I totally, absolutely dominated. I had false accusations against me. I actually had a criminal charge against me for child abuse previously that was reversed because of this case, but I had that walking into it. I thought I was going to lose. I knew a bunch of attorneys in Austin, Texas. They all came to me, but when I hired one, he told me I needed to stop listening to the rest because it was going to screw up his plan on winning. And one of the things I see guys do over and over again who have this family member that's an attorney thing, they switch lawyers, they get in arguments, they get pissed off, they want to get their way, and they become a man-child trying to work their legal case, and they basically sabotage it for themselves. Now, I got to get back on this call. If you're interested in joining the Rising Man, look at this. We got 6 people already on Wednesday night, and we're going to rock it all night long. There is no other outlet in the world that helps guys out going through all the traumas of men in our modern culture, that has 30 hours of calls a week where we work with them, I work with you, and we go through your case. We help you win, but not only that, we help you become a better man. Check it out. The link's in the bio. We'll talk to you soon.